is the premiere how to make new video on YouTube.
It's the first premiere on YouTube. I've never done this before. The premieres. Starts in 2 minutes. It's going to be interesting. So far, there's you can set a reminder. Reminder on. I'm the one person waiting in my own video. But yeah, this is different. I've not tried it before. I've seen plenty of times this people are doing it, and I always wondered how you did it. I always thought they were live, but not the case, it seems. So you make your video, and then when you upload it, you set a schedule on it. It's quite an interesting feature. I don't know how long it's been on now for YouTube. I've been on YouTube on this channel 2 years-ish. No, what, 2018? Oh, 2.5, October. So, yeah, I'm getting ready to watch the premiere of the video I made. Breathwork Part 1. Which is about some breathing techniques I did. One of my friends lives just around the corner. Oh, premiere will begin shortly. His channel's Dong Dipper's Outdoor Adventures, I think it is. He asked me about some breathing techniques. Now, I first met Gareth in the sauna in the gym, the Meridian Leisure Centre, and we instantly pretty much got talking about the Wim Hof method. And he said he didn't have much success, if I remember rightly, with it, but not everybody does. So he said to me, what are you doing breathing techniques wise? That's why I made the video. Bastrika is my main one. Kapalbhati, or the Breath of Fire, and the Wim Hof. They're the 3 main ones that I'm doing, but there's plenty more. You'll see in this video that gets going in a minute. I'll put it in a playlist, etc., so you can get hold of it. But yeah,
it's 12 hours.
Here we go. So 12 o'clock. That's today. Any minute now. I've got a top chat. That's my comment I left myself. Can't wait to leave a little emoji for myself. Wow. Where's the projectionist gone? I don't know. Obviously this is the first time we're trying it. I'm pretty sure today is the 14th of January 2021. Otherwise it wouldn't say begin shortly.
Yeah, it is.
Oh! Whoa! What is that? Oh, that's the premiere opening page title bit. Well, that's the first time I've seen that, because obviously I have looked at other people's premieres, but not right from the beginning, so I wasn't missing much.
Apart from the countdown. 1 minute 30 countdown.
Oh, this is exciting stuff, eh? Watching the countdown. Woo! Bling, bling. I didn't put this on here, by the way. I didn't choose this music. Forever, who wants to live forever? That's what it sounds like to me. Oh, not anymore. I'll speed this bit up a bit. And that's how you can make $1 million on the internet. Oh, well, this is exciting, isn't it? It's not exactly like New Year, but it's my first go, so I thought I might as well record it, and then for the new YouTubers out there, you can see how it works. It's pretty cool. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Hey! Here we go. Folks, this is the morning routine part whatever. Who is this prat? I'll say in the thingy above. You don't know what he's talking about. What's it? Description, sorry. Someone asked me the other day, what breathing techniques are you doing? Now everybody knows Wim Hof method, right? What breathing techniques are you doing? Wim Hof, yeah, I've heard of him.
You've been living under a rock. He's got a book out.
I live under a rock.
Not just one, but he got his latest book out about 5 months ago. I don't know.
It's called the Wim Hof method, I think.
I'll just wait till someone I know lends me it, hopefully. Or I'll go to the library if they ever reopen. Or get the audio book off the online library.
Yeah, that's probably the way I'll do it, actually. You can go on
but there's much more to breathing than or breath
Audible,
work,
but I ain't paid for it. Get his free first download.
And when I say peddling, he's a profit man. He's basically
Oh, he is.
your natural ability to breathe deeply.
Well, I've got to say, it's not... Oh,
Didn't need anybody to tell me I could
can't
do
I
that.
press the
All I have to
emoji
do
button?
You go for a run. See, remember,
Oh,
this is what I used to
oh!
do. Big
Hang on,
animal,
hang on.
human,
Is that how you do it?
deep
I'm
breaths,
going to send
simple,
myself...
right? You get oxygen.
I love art.
You might not have a scientific reason
Ping.
why you feel good, but you do. You do feel
Oh.
good, and that, you know, everybody knows
Ping.
how it goes for a run, apart from moaning ninja.
What? I've loved myself.
It's never enough. You know the ones I mean. You probably sat next to one now.
What else can you do?
No.
How do people
But
give,
basically,
like...
You just need to study
Oh.
a bit of yoga.
Oh,
There's
oh,
a
what's he talking about?
book that was written a while ago.
The book's called Asana, Pranayama, Mudra, and Bandha, and it's by Swami Satchidananda Saraswati.
So, I mean,
That's my voice. Slow down. I've been using iMovie on my Mac, and I wonder if this comes out the wrong way around. And well, I guess I'll see. And to be honest with you, it comes with the Mac, and if it doesn't, you can download it.
This is a mudra. If you ever did this, you do
It's free.
If you ever did this, you do in a mudra. They all do different things.
And you can see
Circuit of sorts, if you like.
that
Again,
you can add,
this is
you know, little
in a book. You can get
bits.
for free from the library.
Zooming in. I'm just like, oh, look at that cube effect. Woo!
It's really essential.
Bandha.
Is
I checked the spelling on some of my stuff because I'm not great at spelling. I never have been. The Moola Bandha.
As they call it in America, you take your pelvic floor exercises, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go. That's.
Well, anyway, it seems to have worked pretty well.
And that allows you to
I've been doing, I've been using InShot on my phone. I've been filming and then just editing on my phone, but my phone's only got 16 gig of RAM. So it's basically RAM or ROM, I can't remember. The one that's not on the SD card, and basically I can't really do much, so I've decided to start using my Mac. I'll join the Skillshare people after seeing a what's it, a link given away on Yes Theory, and basically you get 2 months free. So I went on there and I typed in iMovie, and there's loads of different people teaching you how to do it. I used a chap called Something Woo, I can't remember his name, a young lad, and to be honest with you, he was brilliant because he cut the nonsense out. I don't want to hear a load of drivel about it, I want to know how to do it quick. Boom, 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 let's go. Because let's be honest, it's not that hard, it's your imagination that's the thing. The tool's quite simple, and that's how it should be, so I want a simpler explanation. But yeah, it seems to be working well. I'm happy with that. Cool. Right, I'll leave it at that because it seems a bit like I'm talking about myself watching myself, because I am. But I thought I'd just make a quick video because it is my first time. It's my premiere of many, hopefully. Fucking get my act together. And I mean, this video took about, I don't know, ages to edit. Probably 6 hours for 11 minutes. To film it was about an hour. So it's just, you know, it's a day's work to do a little video like this that probably no one's going to watch anyway, but I don't care because if one person watches it and they go, oh, I didn't know what that was, well then it's done its job. Anyway, if you do like my videos and my topics, subscribe, leave a comment, and do the notification bell thing. Because basically what I'm trying to do is show you that you can heal yourself for free. There's a lot of stuff you can do which is simple. You can do sat down, breathing techniques. One of the best things you can do with pranayama without going anywhere, without running, without, and there's loads of excuses that people will give you. Oh, I can't do it because of my back. Oh, I can't do it because of blah, blah, blah. Well, you're breathing, so there's no excuse for that one. Anyway, I'll leave it at that.